Most computer speakers sound thin and tinny, like music playing inside a cardboard box. But the Logitech Z623 completely flips that script the second you fire it up. This 2.1 setup pushes a ridiculous 400 watts of peak power. And honestly, the bass from the dedicated subwoofer hits so hard it can actually rattle the coffee mug sitting on the desk. It carries official THX certification, which is rare at this price point and usually reserved for high-end home theater gear. That means movies sound properly cinematic, games have real punch with every explosion, and music stays surprisingly clean even when the volume knob gets pushed way past comfortable levels. Connecting things is dead simple too, with standard auxiliary and RCA inputs tucked right on the back, letting multiple devices stay plugged in at the exact same time without constantly swapping cables. Now, the right satellite speaker handles the volume and bass dials directly, which feels a bit retro, and the whole setup lacks Bluetooth connectivity, meaning wireless phone streaming requires a separate adapter. But for raw desktop audio power that fills an entire room without breaking a sweat, this heavy-hitting system punches way above its weight class and stays tough to beat.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.